What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the A8 2K18 and the C7 Pro 2K17. And let me tell you the specifications of both the devices. The A8 2K18 is having 4GB of RAM and it is having the Exynos 7885, which is the latest processor in the mid-range by the Samsung, and the C7 Pro is having the Snapdragon 626 and it is also having the 4GB of RAM. You can see there is no app running in the background, and let's start the stopwatch right away. And both the devices are connected to the same internet connection, and we have the same set of applications in both the devices. And in the first round we will be testing the speed of both the devices, and you can clearly see right now that the A8 is clearly taking the lead and it is actually moving at a very fast rate, and it is now on the Temple Run 2. Actually, this latest UI by Samsung is very fast and fluent. Everything just moves so rapid on this device. So you can see right now that it is taking a clear lead as compared to the Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro. And at the end of this first round we will notice the time that which device has completed this first round and loaded these applications faster. And in the second round we will be seeing the RAM management. Actually both the devices are having the 4GB of RAM, and I expect the same results in the second round, but it will be seen later on. And right now you can see we are on the lab sit on the A8 and we are retrieving the clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip on both the devices. And C7 Pro will also retrieve this clip, but actually it is moving at a slow rate. And we are just about to finish the test on the A8 2K18, and you can see how fast this set is. And right now you can see the C7 Pro is also retrieving the clip of 10 seconds, which is the same length clip as was in the A8 2K18. And you can clearly see the A8 has completed the test in 1 minute and 16 seconds, while the C7 Pro is still taking time to complete the test. And next up we will have the shopping application. Let me just skip the things here and we will just notice the time of first round, and you can see the first round is completed in 1 minute and 38 seconds. So there is a big difference. Actually the difference is of almost 22 seconds. And we are on the second round on the A8, and let's start the second round on the C7 Pro 2. Actually this is the RAM management test, and you can see both the devices are actually moving at a faster rate, and they have kept everything running in the background as was in the first round. So it is very amazing to see that both the devices are using their 4GB of RAM so good, and I think this test is going to be very great at the end. And we have finished the test on the A8 and it has taken the time of 1 minute and 41 seconds, and C7 Pro has taken a time of 2 minutes and 6 seconds. So disappointingly it has actually taken more time than the A5, which almost took 2 minutes. So you can see guys that this is the speed test comparison between both the devices, and A8 is the clear winner. And that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.